Hey yo, what's going on everybody? Today I got the Yunsong iPhone chargers. Very simple. When I say iPhone, I just mean a lightning cable, so they will work in your iPhone, your AirPods, your iPad, whatever iOS device that you got that uses a lightning port. This will work for you. What I love about these cables is they got some weight to them. They're not very flimsy. It's not a thin wire. The big thing right here, see if I can get that to focus, it's braided. I mean, it's got some, I'm giving it some pull. It's not falling apart. I mean, we're in a household with, I don't know, 7, 8, 9 different iOS devices, 5 different people using them, 3 of which are children, young children, pulling them apart, not keeping an eye on their cable, running them over with things, yanking them, fighting over them. This is perfect for the price. You're getting 3 cables. I mean, you can't beat that. All of which are braided and tight, not made to be destroyed easily. I mean, can you chop these apart? Maybe, but who's doing that to cables? With normal wear and tear, I mean, these cables are gonna last you a long time. You got a really nice, almost feels like a metal, tough plastic up here. Nice, sturdy, tight on the cord. Like I said, you're getting a braided cable. I mean, this is gonna take some damage. 6 feet long, perfect. Throw it on your nightstand, throw one in your car, leave one in the kitchen, leave one in the bathroom, anywhere you want that you need to get charged up quick, fast. This is the way to go. Yunsong iPhone chargers. Make sure you grab yourself a set. 3-pack, $7.